Yo, what's up guys? In this quick tutorial we will learn how to make 3 really cool looking glitches in After Effects. And yeah, they're all super easy, we don't need any plugins and they look amazing. So I'd say let's just go right into it. So I just made this little composition with one prepared text and yeah, let's apply the first glitch effect, which is this one, as you can see. And yeah, this basically just is made of one effect, which is called wave warp. And yeah, you can just search it in the effects tab or find it under distort. And yeah, let's just apply this real quick. And as you can see, this is just a wave and doesn't look like a glitch at all. So we have to change a few settings. So let's first of all change the wave type to noise. And let's change the height to, the height we can leave at 10. But let's change the whiteness to 1. And yeah, let's also change the wave speed to 0.1. And now we can see we already have a cool glitch, and yeah, that might be enough for you. But I wanted to be have more of these little details, so we can just apply the wave warp effect again, but let's put in different settings. So first of all, let's change the wave type to noise again. But yeah, this time let's change the height to 5. And yeah, we can leave the whiteness at 40 and the wave speed at 1. And as you can see, we get this super cool looking glitch effect. And if we zoom in, we can see more of the details. But I think it's just like a great mixture of this, bigger glitch effect and this more detailed one. But of course, you can just deactivate one of these however you like. And yeah, that's it for the first one. Let's take a look at this one, which I also think looks really good. And yeah, it's also simple. So let's just delete these 2 effects. So we can just start white over. And yeah, first of all, we need to make a new layer. So let's make a new solid. And we need to apply one effect, which is the fractal noise effect. And yeah, you can find it under noise and grain. And yeah, let's just apply it. And what we will do, we make a glitch map basically, which we then can put on the text layer to distort it. So yeah, let's animate this upper layer first of all. So yeah, let's change the noise type to block and bring down the complexity to 3 and increase the contrast to something like 500 or 400 should look good, just like this. And then we can open up the transform setting and uncheck the uniform scaling so we can get access to both of these scale settings. And let's actually increase the whiteness by a lot, so maybe something like 800 or even 900, something like this. And yeah, now you can already see this kind of looks like a glitch map, but yeah, it doesn't move at all. So let's change that by animating the evolution. So let's go to the beginning of our animation and let's put in a keyframe for evolution and then go to the end and put in a really high value in here. So I'll just go with 50 for these 10 seconds. And now we can see this will move really fast, which you will then see on the text. So to do this, let's just right click this layer and pre-compose this. And now it's really important that you have selected the lower setting, this one, not this one. And yeah, let's press OK and actually hide this layer or this pre-composition. And now we can go to glitch and look for the displacement map effect, which also is under distort. And let's just apply it. And now we just have to go to the displacement map layer and change the layer to our glitch map. And now, as you can see, we get this really nice animation. And yeah, you can just play with these settings a bit. I like to put in a high value in the horizontal displacement. So let's put in 10 in here and maybe keep it a bit lower on the vertical displacement. So I'll just put in 1 in here. And yeah, now we can see we get this really cool looking glitch effect. And of course, you can just animate both of these keyframe things. So maybe you want this to have no glitch at the beginning and then have some glitch in here and then go back to normal again. So you can just use these both things to regulate the strength of the glitch. But yeah, let's take a look at our glass glitch. And this one is actually quite similar to the one we did. It's basically the same. But now we have these cool RGB split effects as well, so a bit of colors in here. And yeah, to do this, let's go back to our composition. And first of all, let's rename this layer to 1, because we need more of these. Let's just duplicate it 2 times. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And let's just move them on the timeline a bit, so they start on different time zones basically. And you will see what this does. So let's also go to our glitch layer and duplicate this as well by pressing Ctrl D. And let's put in a fill effect to actually change the color. And let's just leave it at red. And now we can select the second glitch layer. So now we have a different displacement, just like this. And now we can do this again. So let's duplicate our text layer again and now select the third glitch layer. So we all have different glitches, but on the third one let's change the color to something bluish, just like this. And as you can see, this looks a bit weird. In this one, it just affects the edges basically. And this is super simple to achieve. We just have to make sure this setting here is activated. So if you have these settings, just press this button down here so you get to these settings. And now let's just select our the upper text layers and change the blend mode to to color dodge. So let's just change this, and for the second glitch as well. And now we're already done. As we can see, it will take a bit to pre-render, but oh no, it's actually quite fast. Now we have this super cool looking color glitch. And if you want, you can just turn up the glitch strength on the upper layers of the text. So maybe you can put in 20 in here or something, so this will be stronger. And this is completely up to you. But that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.